Back for more bunker maintenance. Absolutely beautiful day here today. Lovely and warm. Grass should be nice and dry. So it's not too long. I cut it there just before Christmas, and it has just started to grow now. So you can see this area here is just a wee bit long, but it's dry, so it won't be too bad. And a couple of little jobs today, nothing major, but that box there will be quite interesting. And I have a new marquee as well sitting there for open days. But yeah, I'll get this grass cut first, and I'll talk through what else I'm doing. Okay, I'm finished with the grass. Took about half an hour, wasn't too bad. And just have to do a little bit of edging now. Get all this done as well. On the edging on the path. Have a new marquee. Bought that from Decathlon, and that is going to be for our open days. Post is nice and dry. No water at all. Shed's full of dead spiders, as always, and flies. And but at least it's still here after all the storms we've had. It's a little bit creaky. I think I might have to go around and tighten some screws. Need to redo the paint on this a wee bit. But all in all, it's not too bad. Everything's pretty, still pretty solid. I put up this CCTV sign as well. I've had a few people coming to the bunker, and I usually pick them up when they're about here, and I've had them just sort of looking through the window and stuff. Now I don't really keep anything in there, so it's not as if there's anything in there to steal, but that just might make them think twice about doing anything they shouldn't, because I do have a geocache here which is hidden underneath the sign or the information board. You should see it there. And people come along and they sort of have a look round, which I don't mind them doing, but when they start sort of climbing up on top of the hatch and things like that there, it's just a little bit silly, and sometimes I have to set the alarm off. A bit rusty. The galvanizing obviously wasn't done very good in those washers, so those will need to be replaced as well. But yeah, compound is in good condition. That was not hard to do. So yeah, I'll get this marquee put away, get down below ground, get the power on, and I'll show you what's in that cardboard box. So yeah, back in a minute. Okay, below ground I have got the Jackery turned on, and I've got all the lights on. So for those of you who haven't watched this channel before, that's a battery power pack, and I can run the entire post off that, the entire bunker. So the cardboard box, you've probably seen this in the background of some of my videos before. This is the broadsheet copy of Protect and Survive that would have been found in all the broadsheet newspapers like the Times and Financial Times and what have you. So this is page 1, and in here is page 2, which I've got printed recently. So I've got the partner for this. So I'm going to do a quick, actually hold on, I should be able to open it the way I have it sitting here. I'm just going to do a jump cut, but I can open it fairly easily. So it's been printed on a type of foam called Foamex, and it's like a rigid foam. So there is the second page with 3 and 4. So you can see the way that goes 1 and 2, and then it has little smaller sections here numbered 2 to 5. Well, this is the second page with 3 and 4 on it. So I've got them. So I'll have both of those sitting there, and on open days then I can have all those on display for people to look at. So yeah, I think those are pretty cool. And these were very, very rare. There were not very many copy of these produced, and a friend of mine was able to get his hands on an original copy, and he got them scanned, digitized, cleaned up, and then he sent me the files. But yeah, Jackery post. This is the first time I've been to post in probably 2 months, and it's so dry. It doesn't feel damp at all. Absolutely fantastic. It yeah, it feels really, really good down here. It's a bit of water in the moisture absorbers, but no, not too bad. I might change them actually. Yeah, it feels really, really good down here. I'm really surprised how dry it is. And I'll go into the shaft here. There's no water in the sump at all. We had a lot of rain in sort of January and February, but that is completely bone dry. Toilet area is clean. There's no leaks or anything, which is good. I think there's a screw hole there. I think at one point there was a hook or something for hanging something. There's one up there as well. Possibly they had a toilet roll holder or something, or a coat hook. That should still be working. It is. There's the view up the shaft. Lovely, lovely day today. Hardly a cloud in the sky. But yeah, great day to be doing a bit of outdoor work. Feels great down here. I think it's feels about 11 or 12 degrees, I think. It's reasonably cool, but it's not damp at all. And yeah, Jackery that's a fantastic purchase. I think if anybody is interested in sort of off-grid power, the Jackery is a fantastic bit of kit, and it's working away there. And if you've watched one of my videos recently, in fact I think it was the last video I did on the post, you will have seen how I rewired it all to work with this below ground and above ground, and everything works with it. But yeah, really happy with these. These came out really, really well. So I'm going to pop this one up beside this one. At some point I may stick, I don't really have much wall space, that's the problem, and I don't really want to take anything down. You know, all these posters do have a Artella specific thing, so I don't think I want to be taking them down. So yeah, bit cramped down here, but yeah, I'll find somewhere for them to go, don't you worry about it. Okay, right, well, another quick jump cut and I'll get up above ground and just get tidied up, and yeah, that'll be me. And there we are, another tidy up done. Got the van ready to pack everything up, but the grass is looking really good. Compound is looking really, really clean. I think the last time I showed you this was really, really dark. So that telegraph pole, that's where the original BT cable came to the bunker, and there's an underground cable. So the remains of the cable is actually there. So what I'm able to do is connect up the all the warning point. So didn't really show you that well that time, but I'm going to be able to connect up the carrier control point, the nuclear warning point, up to this from now on. And I've got another wire there, so I can have one on the surface as well. So the carrier control point will sit here on the table, and then that'll give all the warning noises below ground. So yeah, that's a good job. I was glad to get that done. Got that done before Christmas. But yeah, there we go, another post adventure done. But listen folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.